Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a double unboxing video, and I already filmed the first unboxing, and I'm actually wearing it right now. I don't know if you can spot it or not. You might be blind if you can't, but I will let that go. I mean, it is not a huge item, but yes, I've already done the first unboxing, so I'm going to insert that here in just a minute. And I did want to show you this other item that I'm unboxing. So today I'm unboxing a piece of Effy jewelry, and I'm also unboxing something from Dior. This is the first thing I've ever purchased from Dior, so I'm excited to show you what I got. And no, it's not a handbag, but it's something I saw Yoda Style had, and I have been looking for something, and I'm saying something like all the time. I've been looking for something like this for quite some time that has the right amount of bling bling to it. So let's go ahead and get into this box, and then I will insert the clip of the other unboxing, and then we'll have a little chat about everything. So let's open this up. I did slit it already to make it easier to open, but all I got was to this point and I stopped. So I haven't seen the item yet. I'm really excited. I think Dior packaging is just beautiful. So this is my first bit of Dior packaging, and depending on the size of this, I might frame it. I'm thinking I might be able to frame it in a 5x7 frame. So I'm gonna check that out and I'll let you know if I'm successful. I did frame one of my Louis Vuitton gift bags. Let me show you. This is from the holiday collection. I believe it was 2019. And I think it's just so pretty. I had to trim it a little bit smaller to fit into this frame. And I think this is an 8.5 by 11 frame, like one you would get for a graduation document or something like that, like letter size. But I'm not positive. It may be 8 by 10. Anyhow, I think the details on this bag are definitely frame worthy. So I'm gonna go check out my frames because I have a whole stack of them I'm not using, and see if I have one that will look super nice with this item. So I did get a super nice, I'm saying words over again constantly, Dior gift bag, and this has the samples that I ordered. Now, if I spent over $100, I would have gotten a travel size sample, and I really debated doing that, but decided against it. I ordered the Le Micro Serum de Rose, or I'm totally butchering that, but it's basically a serum. I like serums and I will use them, so I just got both of them as serums, and this is a Capture Totale Cell Energy Super Potent Serum. And without further ado, oh, this is super cool. Look, the little tissues are all with Dior written on them, which is fancy. And then here is the item. Now, this is a limited edition palette that Yoda showed on herself in one of her Vlogmas videos. And what I noticed about it is it had a light color in it, and that's what I'm looking for. So here is the Dior compact for the palette, and if you open it up, you'll see it has this shade. This is the shade I was looking for, but I love all these other shades. They work well with my blondish, brownish, grayish colored hair palette that I've got going on. So I thought this palette would be good for me. And I am going to try it on, and I will be right back, and then you can let me know what you think. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? I am going to get up close and personal with you and show you the shimmer of this eyeshadow. I think it's beautiful. I like the lightest color the best, and then I basically took some of the darker colors and put them on my lid and in my crease. Oh, that's what she said. Anyway, I really like it. I'm not a professional makeup person. I don't do a lot of makeup. I usually just wear a lip product for videos only, and then the rest of the time I just wear chapstick. And so what I do is I do put a primer on my face, and then I put a foundation, and then I draw my eyebrows on. I mean, I have eyebrows, but they're They're thinner and lighter than they used to be, and so I supplement them with a pencil by Tom Ford, and also another one to do little spots that's Anastasia brand. And then I will wear mascara, but not all the time. And my favorite is by Lancome, and it's the Definicils mascara. I have recently tried the Chanel mascara, and while it looks beautiful right when I put it on, it doesn't stay on my eyelashes very well. So I like it, I guess. If I was going to go out to dinner, I could put it on right before, and it wouldn't get underneath my eye too much before I came home. But if I was going to do it all day with mascara, I would definitely do the Lancome Definicils mascara, 1000%. I also like the Estee Lauder mascara I got as part of that huge gift set. But again, it does the same thing as the Chanel. Those two are pretty comparable in how they go on, but my favorite is still Lancome Definicils. So enough about makeup. Now that you've seen my eyes all made up, and I did have a little bit of shadow on my eyes before I started, but I just put it over the top. That's how I roll. So I am going to now insert the clip of me unboxing the second item. So let's go. My hair is staticky, like I need some of that root mender or something in my hair, or the blowout cream or something by Monat. But I thought, since I am in my car, I just picked up this box from FedEx. I had them hold it just in case I wasn't home to receive it. I thought I would do a unboxing of this item and then just paste it into my video that I'm gonna do today in a little bit. I also have a Dior item, which I may or may not unbox before this little insert. So this is from Saks Fifth Avenue, and it is an Effy purchase. And you guys know I like Effy. Actually, I'm not wearing the right ring. I'm wearing my David Yurman champagne topaz ring right now. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Anyway, I got this necklace because I saw it and I thought it matched a ring that I have pretty well perfectly. And so, oh wow, I should show you. Okay, so if anybody's heard of Van Cleef and Arpels, this necklace reminds me of that. And so I need to decide if I'm going to keep it or not. But hello, let's say sparkle. Look at that. But there's the pendant. Holy shnikes. Look at that. So Van Cleef and Arpels, they have this sort of clover pattern, and it's called their Sweet Alhambra line. And I saw this, and I have a ring that I'll show you in the full video alongside this that's made out of the baguette diamonds with the little round diamonds. And I just thought this was beautiful. And so I have a feeling I'm gonna keep it, but the retail value on this was over $4,000, and I got it for a little under $1,000 because Saks Off Fifth runs extra discounts on their clearance merchandise, and this is currently 70% off. You can a minimum get at least an extra 10% off if you sign up for their email or text, and then sometimes they do the extra 25% off. But this is just a stunning pendant. Makes me want to put it on right away, but I think I'm gonna wait till I get home and I can show you what the necklace looks like with my ring. I just wanted to unbox it while I was here in the car. And yes, retail is $4,180. I remember that it's 0.7 carats, and it is just, I mean, what can I say? It is just stunning. I am super duper excited about this piece. I have so many beautiful yellow gold pendants. I don't really need this, but when I saw it, I just felt like it was a must. So rather than buying 2 handbags, I bought this. Or I guess it's more like buying a half or a third of one of the luxury bags that I have. Anyhow, I will send you back to the regular scheduled programming. I'm back. So what do you think? Do you love it? I absolutely love it, and I am totally wearing it right now. I am able to remove the pendant from the chain, so I may do that and use a different chain with it. I was not able to show you in the unboxing the ring that inspired me to purchase this pendant, which I think is so much like the Van Cleef and Arpels Sweet Alhambra. I think that's how you say it. But this is the ring that I wanted to show you. that I think just looks absolutely stunning with this pendant. This is future Erin. Before I go, I did want to show you one more product that I absolutely love, and it's this polishing cloth. And it doesn't look the cleanest because I do use this item to clean my jewelry. It's the Connoisseur's gold jewelry polishing cloth. They may have specific ones for silver as well, but I use this for my silver and my gold. Gold is harder than silver when it's mixed with other metals. So if it's like 14 karat or 18 karat, it's tougher than silver. Silver's softer. So I find that this cloth works great on both. And whenever I got this ring out to look at it with the necklace, I'm telling you, it looked really dingy in comparison. I don't know if you knew that, but gold definitely tarnishes. So having one of these makes a world of difference in your jewelry. You just use it, you basically, let me just show you. I just cleaned this, but you get a section of it that's pretty clean, and then you rub and rub and rub. You can rub right over the top of the stones. You rub the bottom, you stick your finger in it, you rub the insides. And like I said, I just cleaned this, but I still was able to get just a little bit of darkness, which is the tarnish, off of it. And then the pink part is the polishing part. And it will take out those tiny, tiny little fine scratches, and it shines your piece up so beautifully, and it makes the diamonds sparkle more when the gold isn't tarnished. So, like I said, I just polished it before the video, but I just polished it a little bit more. And I think that it just makes a world of difference. I tend to polish my pieces before I wear them, like every time. And especially like chains will get really gross. I don't know why, just sitting there on the shelf, they get the tarnish on them. And you typically think of silver getting tarnished, but gold does too. So just a little helpful tip, hopefully, and I will send you back to regular programming again. Bye. I also have some more jewelry stuff coming up, and I'm super excited. It's a company I've worked with in the past as a personal buyer. I mean, I've really just bought things from them. I haven't collaborated with them in a YouTube sense at all. And so I really like their products. They actually have an earring named after me that I helped design. And I communicated with them recently because I wanted to purchase an additional pair of diamond hoop earrings. So I will be getting those to show you, and also some other items that will be excellent presents for Valentine's Day. I'm trying to keep the price point on the items down lower, you know, so if you like to buy handbags that like perhaps I might have in my closet, like Coach and Longchamp, these items would either be the cost of a bag or maybe the cost of 2 bags, but not a whole lot more than that. We're going to try to stay budget friendly for Valentine's Day. So if you're interested in something like that, let me know. The diamonds are going to be amazing, amazing quality. And there's also going to be some gold items as well. I cannot wait. I'm super excited. They're going to send me a whole bunch of things, and I'm going to be able to show you. And then I got to ship most of them back, but I'll get to show you. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.